Okay, Santa is cleared all the way through 36th Street here. We're expecting him shortly. Right now it's 12, 13, 14. Time is 14:46, and we're just waiting for Santa. Gonna make the big turn. Drop it out. Come in. There's Gary Lovelace and Jerry and Jerry. Ho ho! There we go. We'll just keep on making this swing around. And we're just waiting for Santa. Okay, we got some serious honkage down there. Waiting for Santa. We got a time of 14:49 and 12, 13, 14.
Do the tracks curve to the right?
Yeah. He'll be coming around the corner here momentarily. There he is.
All right, folks, here we go.
There he is.
Train, Chivo 813, the Pink Lady 436 with the Azalea St. Augustine generator car, and I believe 1 to 2 flat cars. Toys for Tots.
He's taking his time. He's a couple minutes early. That's all right.
Here with fellow rail fan Jerry and Murphy, Tom Byrne.
Long distance view on our Chivo 813. Back this up. Yeah, let's not back it up yet.
Make sure you're recording.
I'm recording. He's taking his time.
Videos are going to go up tonight.
Yeah, we're all going to see the same video.
Got a gate activation. 36th Street here in West Palm. There it is. My friend Jim Kowalski may be up there. Maybe he'll give us a big blast here. $813, $436. We got the generator car, 4432. St. Augustine and Azalea. There we go. We got a happy elf, happy elf. Seeing where we're going, and look at what he's brought here for Santa. For all of our friends at the Marines.
That's from the horrible shot. Looking that way with the sun.
That'll do wherever you get them stopped there.
That'll do. I'm happy. Merry Christmas. Time. 14:52. He's 8 minutes early. Oh, Santa knows how to draw a crowd.
I'm trying to go through it.
All the elves going to be unloading one of our containers here. I think our friend Fran just jumped off, and oh, there's going to be some happy kids. I may not get a wave out of him, but Santa has arrived. He's a happy man. Merry Christmas. Okay, we've got very strong hawkage from the north. We're looking at Nottingham Road and Southern Boulevard. And that is the sound, the gate activation down at Nottingham Road, and the sound of GE 813, and there she is leading the Santa train. There are the business cars and gifts for all the good boys and good girls. Oh, there it is, 813. I'll back this thing up, set it up, get a good run by, and take some pictures too. And there we go. Merry Christmas to all. Time is 15:49.